In this vlog, I am taking you guys to Guatemala City. But first, I have a layover.
Wow! I'm in Miami! Ran for about 6 miles today, and I need this. I haven't been to the beach in a long time.
The last thing I did before boarding a plane was a yoga class. This instructor and I had a talk before the class, and it turns out the last country she visited was Guatemala. She also said it was the best 4 months of her life. So this trip is starting out with some great synchronistic energy, but I'm still worried about the fact that Guatemala has some of the highest violent crime rates in Latin America. Good morning from Guatemala City. Just stepping out for the day, staying at a boutique hotel near the airport here in Guatemala City. And so here's a quick walkthrough of Nonni Hotel. A lot of plants, beautiful area here. I stayed here because they said it was more like a hacienda than a hotel. I am also staying here because I arrived at midnight, and this hotel is just outside the confines of the airport. At around 9:30 a.m., the manager, Marlene, brought me a complimentary traditional breakfast. This breakfast consisted of scrambled eggs, beans, salsa, plantains, fresh bread, OJ, and hot tea. Next, I hopped in an Uber, and in an effort to avoid the more dangerous zones of the city, I headed towards Zone 1. First walk in Guatemala City. Just arrived at the Parque Centrale. And yeah, I'm excited to be here right now. Really excited. It's Sunday, so a lot of people are out today. A lot of businesses are closed. That's something I've already learned. Can't get a shuttle to Lake Atitlan today. Have to wait till tomorrow, but that's okay. I don't mind exploring this city for one day. There were progressively more and more people walking through Parque Centrale the day after Christmas. People feeding seeds to the pigeons. People walking through the busy Sexta Avenida. A serious orchestra playing outside a church. And street food being sold everywhere. Yo quiero mango. ¿Y tienes mango?
Hay maduro.
Sí, yo quiero mango.
Maduro verde.
Sí.
¿Maduro?
Sí, maduro. Oh, y Dios mío.
Ahí está.
Gracias.
De nada.
Really nice day out today. And again, a lot of people outside. First order of business right now, I need quetzales. I need money of Guatemala. So I gotta find a money changer and get a SIM card so I can start, accessing the internet while I walk the streets and stuff like that. The basics. Guatemala is home to 24 principal ethnic groups, of which 22 are Mayan. So what you are looking at here are traditional Mayan garments and fabrics. And for the record, this is the brightest street of clothes I have ever seen. Guatemala has a population of 15 million people, of which 7 million are Mayan and 8 million are descendants of modern-day Guatemalan. From my experience, the big cities consist mostly of Guatemalans, and the remote areas consist mostly of Mayan.
Tenemos a una pareja que está participando y concursando por ganarse un balón de fútbol.
Wow! I'm in Guatemala City. Bitch! Alright, pop quiz. What is the worst day to enter a country? Sunday. The reason why is because all the banks are closed and it's tough to acclimate to get SIM cards, and a lot of businesses are just not open. don't make the mistake I just did. Oh, did you hear that? The sound of sizzling meat. And here begins a mini food tour of Parque Centrale. There were a lot of options, but I just wanted to start with something I've never had before. So I settled on the Guatemalan sausage sandwich, or in Spanish, the choripan. This sandwich started with a layer of chimichurri and guacamole, then topped with sausage, pickled cabbage, peppers, ketchup, and mayo. Oh yes, the sound of more sizzling meats. Now I'm in the mood for something familiar, so we're gonna watch this lady prepare al pastor tacos. Starting with the grilled al pastor, of course. Topping it with fresh cabbage. Next up are some grilled onions. And there she goes with the fresh pineapple. And finishing it off with that last greasy tortilla. ¿Listo?
¿Listo?
Gracias. Look at those colorful tacos, man. And they wouldn't be right without some lime on top. Yeah. I'm from Los Angeles, and I know my al pastor tacos. Let's say these were not the best I've ever had, but they were solid. Yeah. No way. No way. The best fried chicken in Latin America. Pollolandia!
¿Solo uno?
Solo uno. Next up was my first Guatemalan tostada. This tostada was topped with a layer of guacamole, fresh salsa, parsley, and shaved onion. Did you hear that? That was the sound of freshly shaven ice. And this gentleman here is going to show you guys how they make a simple Guatemalan granizada. First, we're starting with our ice base, then going with a tablespoon of blackberry jam. Then he's going to top it with more ice. Then he's going to add a pineapple syrup and another syrup, this time blackberry flavor. But wait, there's more! That final topping of strawberry syrup. ¿Listo? Gracias. My first granizada since 2019 and it was bomb.
Platica conmigo en privado.
I have many questions for this man and I'd love to know what's going on. But the sun is going down and I've been informed not to stay out after dark in Guatemala City. Today was an excellent day, and it looks like I'm gonna make it home in one piece. Hey, wait a second. Was that a shotgun? It is a shotgun, and around here that's what they call Guatemalan private security. Wow. Ugh.